long time since I've uploaded anything, probably close to a year. We've done a lot of things this year. Got our barn done, painted and everything. Made a lot of changes in the shop. I've taken some videos, but I haven't uploaded a darn thing. I don't even think I've uploaded anything about this car particularly. And I'm going to go ahead and let this go ahead and take off from here and snip in so much stuff. I'm digging out and move my doors over here. There's a lot of organization that has to happen over there. That trunk is full of stuff. There's stuff underneath the car. I think that's a water pump over there. Backstory is that many years ago, went and joined the military. My father needed a space that's over there, so moved the car over here. But this area was never cleaned out for anything. So there's a lot of dirt and a lot of hay, a lot of dust that I just need to contend with. So I got one barrel full already emptied out and out of the shop already. And right now I'm just trying to go ahead and maybe get a jack underneath there so I can kind of scrape some of the dirt up. There's a whole lot of business along that wall over there. Lots of chrome trim, engine parts, bolts, nuts, you name it for this car, and it's probably over there. But I'm going to try to work on hanging some stuff up to get off the ground, like these grills here, some pieces. There's our dang door. They got, what does that make? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 doors for this thing. They're not all that great either, but I have them. So once I kind of clean up this area, gotta find some jack stands that I don't want to use anymore, and put them underneath there so that way it's a little bit off the ground. And so I don't know. I'm just gonna do it. I thought it was a toy. Definitely not a toy. Hey guy, how you doing? I don't know what that is. I thought it was like a T-Rex dinosaur something. Definitely not that. Oh, I moved the T-Rex dinosaur skeleton thing. Done a lot more cleaning, scraping the ground and getting all this taken care of. So you can kind of tell now I got some stuff hanging up on the wall, picking up things. I have a walkway back there now, and I'm going to work on trying to use the rest of these jack stands to put the rest of them underneath there, so that way we're up in the air. And then probably call it for the day. A lot of moving of things. Before today, there was no walkway in this region whatsoever. So now that I have that, that's great. And you know, when the summer comes and we decide to maybe get the boys' go-kart going again, this door over there can go ahead and be open and shut, and we can get things in and out over here, because I'm still waiting on an engine for that over there. Hopefully sometime soon-ish that'll come to light. But I'm going to continue on, getting this lifted up, and probably close it out for the day. Lots of work done. That's a lot of stuff. I think that's my 396 engine pieces, the heads, the oil pan, springs, valves, everything, I think. Really surprised the trunk's holding it there. But gonna get lifted up and maybe kind of clean up this region over here a little bit so that way things don't fall down again, and see where we go from there. Finally cleaned it up. We're done with everything, and we're on 4 jack stands instead of just 1. I like to get a little higher in the air, but I need to invest in some more jack stands. These ones here, they're fine for that, but not doing a restoration on this. Come to find out when I was jacking it up, it started to move yeah, I got some rust issues, among other things. Cleaned up back there, and we fully have a walkway. That seat, it's hosed. It's junk. It might suffice to go ahead and say that I need to find a different way to have seats in the front of this thing, because that is gross. But anyway, we can walk through here now. This would be a great area to go ahead and have things taken care of. You can move around. Boys Go Kart's still here, lacking an engine. That's fine. That's a different day. Moved a lot of things around, switch you around. And now we can walk through here-ish. And I can get to this side now. So that's all free and taken care of. While we were disassembling the other Galaxy, we kind of tossed some stuff inside here. This needs to be vacuumed out again. There's a mouser or two running around inside here. I think I disturbed his condo. I'm not quite sure, but is he still in there? I'm not sure. But I probably made him pretty unhappy with regards to what I did. But I was thinking about moving my bumpers and hanging them or putting them on the ground, but I haven't got that far yet because I don't know where to hang anything anymore. And like I said, this is full of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. So, while we're over here, I'm going to turn this light on. Yeah, so, pan out here. This is nice. I think I'm supposed to have kind of a fender. Comes down and over here. That'll be fun. There's my hood. Needs some work still. A back seat to a two-door that I have no reason to keep, but I have it. Trim, fender, and lots and lots of stuff. So I'm gonna get home and eventually one of these days try to sit down and make this a video and upload it. So hopefully that happens sooner or later. Appreciate you guys watching Rebuild Empire, because eventually we're going to start rebuilding all of the things, hopefully.